Third-party lenses for the RF mount. Well, that's a topic that's triggered more heated debates than pineapple on pizza. And believe me, I love me some pineapple on some pizza. Don't unsubscribe yet. Just wait. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So this video, it took days to just kind of marinate. Not because I didn't know what to say, but because I wasn't sure that I wanted to speak it into the universe and jinx it. I mean, third-party RF full-frame lenses for Canon shooters, it's basically the camera world's version of, should you date your best friend? Some say yes, some say absolutely not, and then some that don't even have a best friend, so. Anyway, some Canon users won't touch a third-party lens with a 10-foot monopod. Others, like me, well, our whole bag is just nothing but off-brand glass. Now we've heard whispers that third-party full-frame RF lenses with autofocus were coming. Sometime, next year or even sooner, maybe. But here's the kicker, not from Sigma. I know, you were waiting for that Sigma art glass to bless your RF camera, but apparently it's not happening, at least not first. So then what do we expect first? Well, most likely a Chinese brand like Viltrox or Neewer, or maybe Tamron, or a startup brand named Lenzy McLensface. At this point, who knows? It's up in the air. Truth is though, no one knows what kind of blood pact that these brands have to sign with Canon to be able to make autofocus RF glass. Do they pay a licensing fee? Do they go through Jedi trials? Must they answer 3 riddles from the wise old Canon engineer? What we do know is that Canon's been chill with third-party lenses for the APS-C cameras. Sigma and Tamron have a few primes and zooms out there for the RFS. And so far, it's not really affecting Canon's lens sales because they're through the roof. So whatever Canon is doing, well, it's working, at least financially. Now, here's where I stir the pot just a wee bit. Now, I've seen more young shooters out there with Sony full-frame cameras, well, than anything else. Why? Well, one word. Accessibility. Those kids are rocking $400 Sigma lenses that perform like $1,000 glass, and Canon? Well, they're like that fancy club with dress code. If your lens doesn't say RF, well, you're not getting in. Honestly, when I see lenses like the Sigma 50mm 1.2 or the razor sharp Neewer 85mm with ratings that make your jaw drop, I silently weep. But here's the bottom line. Yeah, a closed system will sell more Canon lenses, sure. But in the long run, that strategy might keep the door closed on a whole generation of new creators. Anyway, there you have it. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Do you think it's really gonna happen, or is this just another letdown, when it comes to affordable glass? Remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and click the bell to be notified of all future videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my Lightroom presets pack that features 13 presets that I designed for all my personal photo projects. And until next time, get out there and shoot, and I'll catch you later. Bye.